We can reach an Amiga 500 and then we just hit the big run ADF files. We just go old school. Big run. There we go. Easy. No more playing around. Oh yeah, melon characters are cool. Used to crack. Expanded memory detected. RAM disk initialized. Loading big run. There we go. That's all we want. Now let's see if it works on the ADF version. Because I think the Mega AGS just has a lot of fuck-ups. But maybe that's just me. Brilliant music. Okay, now let's see how it goes. Because that was a downer. But we're still down to 25 seconds already. It might just be me. And I just don't get the game. Oh, we lost so much speed. Second place, you cost me all my speed. How can we be second? Like, what? Okay, but we got further than last time. Oh, in this version it works. I mean... Okay, that works. Okay. Great driving. Your rank qualifies for next stage. And there is a grey woman. And she blew me a kiss, I guess? Hard to make out. The pixels are not in favor of the game. Okay, so 32 Mu. That was definitely a slow time. Yeah, I think that one of the games again that's fucked on the Mega AGS, sadly. They just try to hack their way with some VHD load files that just don't work in favor of the Amiga. It's a pity. But it's okay. Oh! No! That's gonna cost us. What is this slalom S stone slope? I never knew that driving rally was so dangerous. Hey, but we okay got checkpoints, no? Alright. Still in the back, boys. And ladies. Shit, here we go again. Let me overtake. There we go. Oh, we finished it. There we go. The Dark Souls of Amiga racing games. It kind of feels like it, not gonna lie. That is the Dark Souls of Amiga racing games. Oh. Okay, now we gotta get from Tumu to Agadez. Got left curve, right curve, left curve, right curve, left, right curve, left curve, right curve. Okay. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay. If it's like that. Why can't they, by the way, do that, but I can? Not fair. This game is called Big Run, and then they're all Bowser, and I'm just fucking Toad. And all my coins are their communion. Bruh. See? Super Nintendo Mario Kart all over again. That's why we can't have nice things, guys. We just gotta overtake him by force like this. Time now for the big left right. Come on. There we go. This is the number one. Will we ever see number one? Number one is like this shadow.
Checkpoint.
Checkpoint, I guess. As long as we don't have the stones again in this track, I'll be fine. Stones were no fun. But those metal poles look kinda same. Oh, wow, that was close. But we had Twitch reactions here. Quake 3 Pro player playing Big Run on Amiga. Make it a YouTube series. Okay, we're on 374,000 and the world record is 444,200, which means if we can get this next race done, we should be on world record. So a little sip of golden luck. Let's hope just for that. Agadez, Bamako. Okay. So it's a right, left, steep right, left. They always look the same. I just wing it. I just wing it. This guy is always trying to get the second place, or second rank, by pushing into me aggressively. Okay, yeah, that's... No! Come on, come on, come on. Again with their fucking stone pillar maps. This isn't a fucking JoJo arc. Leave them be. Who brings fucking stone pillars into a racing game? That's criminal and unrelentless and not fair at all. And that's why people hate the desert. Imagine you have a brand new car saying, hey, I'm gonna take it for a ride in that nice desert. Then the desert like, take that stone pillar. And you're like, wow, fuck you. Great. Yeah, we beat the world record.
Check.
Oh, wow. That was by the beard. By the beard, boys. Fuck me. I just crashed into someone's house. I'm so sorry. Oh, wow. That was a nice boost. Thank you so much. They want us to finish that race somehow. Can we finish the race with everything that has happened? Oh, I don't think we can, but whatever we can do, we're gonna use. We don't give up. Don't stop till you get up, get up. Michael Jackson knew already. Oh, what? We're so lucky. We're so lucky. Okay, so we backed world record already for both platforms, but now I want to finish the game so that that is done. She's taking our hand and giving us a kiss. Thank you. Great driving, he says. I was just crashing into everything the game had to offer. Saint Louis. Okay, now it's a different track, as you can see, and it leads over 4 bridges, and through a village. Okay. Take good pose. Oh, come on, come on, come on. We're gonna drive it outwards, but we're gonna keep the speed. That's what's up. Come on. He took us. It's a fucking speed boost. Can you make it up? You can. I'm turning it to Michael Winslow playing racing games on the Amiga. If this is the desired outcome, I don't know. But whatever happens on the StreamStack TV stream stays on the StreamStack TV stream. Oh, I hit the brake pedals super hard. Ooh, thank you, sir. Thank you kindly. Will this do for a checkpoint? Or are we left out of the equation now? Oh, it will do. It will do. We're lucky. This is the Prepare to Die edition speedrun of this game. Bruh, I was slowing down for you guys. And you still managed to brake and throw me off. Fucking diligent. That's what that is. Okay, checkpoint. Finish, oh. We managed to get through Saint Louis. Saint Louis? Oui, oui. Alright. Great driving. I don't know. I thank you kindly, but that is far from great, I'd say. Seriously, isn't it like 10 a.m.? Your time now? Why are you still up? I feel like either you're getting up super early, and then you go into streaming, or you either never go to bed and you sleep during the day and you're a vampire that has no beard now. Almost bad time. Wow. But you do have a very futuristic sleeping schedule, I must say. I do enjoy the fact that you can stick around my stream for such a long time after being on a streaming marathon yourself. You're amazing, man. It's crazy, really. Oh. All those pillars do nothing for me. Because I'm the OG. Okay, I had to hit the brake a bit here. A bit of joystick wiggling. That was Dakar? Wait. Does it mean like we finished the game right now? It says 820,900 at the moment. I think that's it. Let's see if we get a finish bonus. Yeah, I guess we won. Nice. Another rally. He's like second place. You're small, you gotta grow. Take the champagne. I like how it goes as far showing you us the stage again in the case that we forgot what the race has been that we just finished. Okay. Now I wonder, with the game having no settings, how would you achieve getting a score over 1,000,000? Because like 1,000,000 I can see. 820,900. GG, thank you. So we got the V run. We got the full run.